In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide rows in Google Sheets. When you're working with large datasets or complex spreadsheets, it's not uncommon to encounter hidden rows. These hidden rows can make it difficult to see all the data you need. So today, I'm going to show you a couple of simple methods to reveal those rows quickly and efficiently. First, let's start with the most straightforward approach. Open the Google Sheet where you suspect some rows might be hidden. As you scroll through your sheet, keep an eye out for a small arrow icon situated between the row numbers on the left-hand side. This arrow pointing up and down is key. It signals that there are rows tucked away out of sight in your spreadsheet. All you need to do when you locate this icon is to give it a click. Instantly, those previously hidden rows will unfurl, revealing the data you've been missing. It's a satisfyingly simple way to gain access to your hidden information without any fuss. But what if that arrow icon is elusive, or you want to know an alternative method just in case? That's where our second approach comes in handy. This method is just as effective and can be useful when you're dealing with multiple hidden sections, or if the up and down arrow indicator isn't readily visible. Start by highlighting the row numbers that sit directly above and below the hidden section. This requires a little bit of detective work since you'll need to identify where your hidden rows might be sandwiched. Once you've highlighted these rows, perform a right-click within your selection. A menu of options will appear, offering you the choice to unhide those concealed rows. Simply click on Unhide Rows, and just like magic, the hidden sections will appear, fully visible and ready for you to interact with. Both of these methods are dynamic tools in maintaining complete, clutter-free access to your Google Sheets data. They also emphasize the importance of understanding and navigating your spreadsheet's layout, allowing you to ensure that every piece of information is visible and at your disposal when needed. And there you have it. You're now well equipped to tackle hidden rows in Google Sheets like a pro. Whether you choose the quick click of the arrow icon or the slightly more investigative approach of unhiding rows via highlighting, you can rest assured that you won't miss out on any important data trapped within hidden rows. Experiment with both methods and see which one fits best into your workflow. This knowledge is a small but mighty addition to your Google Sheets skill set, helping you keep all your data in clear view. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found these instructions helpful. Keep watching for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity with Google Sheets.